Honorable educators, respected opponents, and everyone present, good morning. My name is Nia Aprilia Ramaphosa from SMA Negeri 3 Jember, and I stand as the first speaker of the proposition team. This motion is about whether government should actively support the widespread implementation of artificial intelligence, of tackling climate change, and protecting the environment. This includes areas such as weather prediction, disaster management, and land using mapping and playing human settlements. But more importantly, this debate is not all about technology. This is about how we respond to a crisis that is too complex and too fast-moving for a traditional system to handle effectively. And on proposition, we choose to become predictive. I think one of the biggest misconceptions in this debate is that the idea climate change is simply a problem of effort, that we care more or try harder to solve it, but that's not true. The real problem is scale and complexity. We are dealing with massive environment data, constantly changing weather patterns, and disasters that are becoming harder to predict. And humans alone are simply not capable of processing of all of this fast enough. So AI is not replacing humans, it changed how we understand the problem. Government act after disaster happened, after floods destroying home, after droughts changing agriculture, and by then the damage is already done. AI changed that system. It allows government to shift reaction to prediction, and it's not just theory. For a real example, is Google has developed AI system that can predict floods days in advance by analyzing satellite data and river patterns. And that's matter because instead of saying a flood is happening, government can say this area is likely to flood soon, because when you know earlier, you can act earlier. You can evacuate communities, you prepare infrastructure and reduce damage before it happens. So the impact here is not just efficiency, it's prevention. We also see this in environment monitoring. For example, NASA uses AI to analyze satellite imagery and detect deforestation, changes in land use, and environmental degradation in real time. Without AI, this action would take far longer and many changes would go unnoticed because before it's too late. But with AI, government can respond faster and better ecosystem more effectively. Protect. Now let's move to the second role of AI is decision making. Because many climate policy failing not because government don't try, but because they don't have accurate information. Resources are often placed in the wrong areas. AI allows government to identify which area are most risk, which investigation are more effective, and where resources should be focused. AI makes policy not just better, but more efficient. And this is especially important for developing countries because they don't have unlimited resources. They cannot afford trial and error. They need to get decision right earlier. Now maybe opponent says AI expensive, developing country can afford that. And for the alternative, government can start small. They can focus on high impact areas like disaster prediction, where AI, even limited use, can prevent massive losses. Because every delayed response creates damage that is far more expensive than we invest in AI for better system. And some may also worry about bias or over-reliance on technology. That concern is valid in extent Because we are not replacing human judgment, we are improving. AI does not make decisions by its own, it provides better analysis, and even if the data is not perfect, it's still more comprehensive than rely on human estimation. The real At the end of the day, this debate is not about whether AI is perfect because it's not, but AI it helps us to respond to a problem that is already overwhelming on current system. And currently it does because AI gives us something we urgently need, like better understanding, faster response, and smarter decision in a crisis like climate change. AI are not luxuries, it's necessities. And why we as the proposition team strongly support the widespread implementation of AI in climate change mitigation and environment protection. Thank you.